It started with a single sentence, hammered out in the dead of night. "You are not alone." Guests at Willow Creek Inn whispered about the sound, old keys clacking from behind the locked door of room 7. The inn, shrouded in pine and thick mist, stands isolated on the edge of a forgotten highway in rural Vermont. Inside, the air is always cold, no matter the season, and the wallpaper peels like old skin, curling away from the walls. Staff avoid room 7 after dusk, their footsteps quickening past its door. Once, a housekeeper braved the silence, drawn by the relentless tapping echoing through the halls. She found an antique typewriter, untouched by dust, paper rolled in, bearing a chilling message. "Help me." No one checked in. No one checked out. In 1974, a writer vanished there, leaving behind only a half-finished manuscript, words trailing off in panic. Since then, every stormy night, the typewriter begins again, keys clacking in the dark. Some say they've seen a shadow at the window. Others swear the keys spell out their names. The room remains empty, but the stories never stop. Would you stay there? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and follow for more horror, chilling fables,